You think AI is the edge. You think if you just learn the right prompts, buy the right tools, or install the right automation, everything will finally click. The reality is, it's not that simple. And I'm going to say this crystal clear. AI in itself will not save your business. AI is simply leverage. But leverage applied to chaos, well, that creates more chaos. If your CRM is a mess, if your follow-up is lacking and inconsistent, if you don't know your KPIs, your numbers, if you're not tracking your analytics, if your calendar controls you, AI doesn't fix any of those. It will simply amplify them. And this is where most agents are going wrong. They're chasing AI like it's a shortcut. AI is not a shortcut. It's a force multiplier. And force multipliers, although positive, they will also expose massive deficiencies and weaknesses within your business systems. Let me explain. Right now, I see agents spending thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars on guru of AI workflows. They're also spending hours upon hours learning the perfect prompt, studying prompt engineering as if it's some newfound neuroscience. Now, sure, they can generate listing descriptions in under 15 seconds. They can build email campaigns instantly, which is absolutely amazing. They can even write scripts, captions, subject headlines, and even newsletters. And that stuff in itself, team, don't get me wrong, is absolutely amazing. But you know what AI can't do? At least not yet. It can't call your leads. It can't be you and reach out and connect with your pipeline. It doesn't have that empathetic ear that allows you to convert that conversation. It doesn't keep you on schedule up here, not just on paper, and it doesn't keep you dialed in for your lead generation blocks. See, team, that's not an AI problem. I hate to break it to you, that's a standards problem. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You can have the most advanced AI stack available in the market, the best prompts, and you will still lose to the agent in your market who simply follows up. Because at the end of the day, team, real estate is still human. It's still relational, and it's still trust-based. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not anti-AI. I am super pro AI. But AI is only your support system. It is not your entire system. It can't replace you. It can't replace your discipline. And this is where I'm starting to see the gap forming. There are two types of agents that are emerging. The first type of agent is the agent that is chasing every new AI update. They're falling for every guru or trainer who just recently learned AI in themselves is now selling tens of thousands of dollars in packages. Agent number one is falling for that and buying every single package, thinking it's going to save their business. They're constantly trying new tools, new automations, new software. They look busy, and heck, they're even informed. They're highly educated on AI. They talk about efficiency, and they might even have these amazing workflows that look absolutely stunning on a project management chart. But their fundamentals, they're weak. The second type of agent, the new 2.0 AI agent, those are agents that are building their structures and their systems first. They have their clear avatar on who their ideal client is. They have their clear offer, clear unique selling proposition. They have an extremely clear daily routine and time blocks. They have a solid follow-up. They follow the same cadence every single day and every single week for their follow-up. And they have defined and clear marketing pillars. Now, all they do is simply plug the AI system into their standards, and boom, the two come together perfectly. AI drafts the email, they send it. AI outlines the listing presentation, the agent, they deliver it. AI researches the buyer avatar. The agent, they present to that avatar with extreme confidence. AI is the assistant. You, the agent, you're the operator. If your business foundations are solid, AI is an extremely powerful weapon. If your business foundations are unstable and lacking, AI simply becomes a distraction. And in fact, it becomes a chaos multiplier. And here's the thing, distractions and chaos, they actually feel productive. They feel busy. And that's the dangerous part, because you can spend hours, days, weeks, months, thousands, tens of thousands of dollars building systems that look pretty, but they don't generate results. Here's my point, team. Real estate agents don't need more tools. They don't need to be sold more widgets and gizmos. They need more control of their business. Not 15 automations, not 27 workflows. A 10 a.m. lead generation block that is stuck to. Not a better lead caption generator, automated subject line creator, but simple, powerful, consistent, disciplined follow-up. Not another shiny dashboard widget or some phenomenal training program, but clarity on items such as who is my ideal client? What is my message? What is my daily standard? And what are my KPIs? What are my conversion metrics? What does my SWOT analysis say? What are my strengths, my weaknesses, my opportunities, my threats? How do I improve upon my strengths and mitigate my weaknesses at the same time? AI is not the solution for that. You are. Sure, it can help you execute faster, but it can't define it for you. So here's the reframe, team. Let's recalibrate our thought process and our relationship with AI. Instead of asking what workflows should we use, or what trainer should we follow, or who's the latest AI guru, let's start asking ourselves, what system do I already have that AI can start to strengthen? Or if I don't have a business system, what basic business systems do I need to get my real estate business from point A to point B? That powerful, simplistic question changes everything. See, team, there's power in simplicity, because once we have that defined, once we have that locked in, now AI can become our force multiplier. And believe it or not, hear me out on this, team. This is an important thought, especially if a lot of you are actually scared. The agents who win and win big in this next era of AI, they're not the techie agents. They're the agents who are most structured. Absolutely, certainly, they will use AI massively. They will leverage it. They'll use it to research better, write faster, analyze smarter, and personalize deeper. But they will still do the work. They'll make the calls. They'll sit at the listing tables. They'll build the relationships. AI will never replace conviction. AI will never replace confidence. AI will never replace leadership. And trust me, team, sellers, your clients, they can feel the difference. So if you feel behind because everybody's talking about AI, you're not behind, you're early. But don't confuse learning with what is actually earning. Don't fall for the shiny widgets. Master your schedule, master your follow-up, master your listing presentation, master your mental routine. Then layer AI on top of that. That, team, that is how you scale. That's how you compound, not by chasing hype, but by building real systems. Then leaning in, locking in, and accelerating those systems. And here's a very empowering truth. I want you to hear this. If you combine clear standards, daily execution, buyer psychology, seller strategy, along with intelligent AI use, you won't just survive this market, you will dominate it. Why? Because most agents are too busy being distracted, and disciplined agents, they win in distracted markets. So just to repeat, team, AI is not going to save your business, but structured agents using AI correctly, they're going to build something that's extremely difficult to compete with. So at the end of the day, build the foundation, then multiply it. That's it, team. That's the play. If you're curious what systems, strategies, solutions, and basic business practices that are duplicatable and repeatable look like, click the link down below. I want you to schedule a conversation with me. Let's have a one-on-one conversation. Let's explore the opportunity of us working together in a coaching relationship. Having done this for over 20 plus years, having been the chief operating officer of an Inc. 5000 fastest real estate growing company, chief innovation officer, as well as a designated broker, I have my thumb on the pulse of what it takes from the most grassroots basic business systems that allow you to scale your business from here to here to here very quickly without getting lost in all the noise. So if you're feeling overwhelmed, let's connect, team. Let's talk about you and your business. But at the end of the day, it's your business. So get out there, get after it, grow your business. We'll talk soon, everybody. Bye-bye.